Good morning, students. Today we are going to start practice set number 2.5. Our practice set number 2.5 depends upon the concept of absolute value. So let's see what is the absolute value and how we can find the absolute value. See, if x is a real number, then the absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on the number line. Once again, if x is the real number, just keep in mind, then the absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on the number line. Let's see, here we have a number line 0. On the right hand side we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand side we have -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. And here we have the x suppose on the value at the point of -3. So what is the absolute value of x? So as per our rules, the absolute value of x is distance from 0. So what is the distance of this? That is 1, 2, 3. So we can say therefore absolute value of x is 3. Yes, here that is at the place of -3. Then also the absolute value of x is 3, as because according to our rules that is the distance from 0. So next, this is written as this way. We have the two lines, within that we write x, and is read as, how we are going to read it? Absolute value of x or modulus of x. Absolute value of x or modulus of x. This way we can read it. So here we have the three rules. If x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, then the absolute value of x is equal to x. The absolute value of x is equal to x. So how you can read? If x is positive, then the absolute value of x is x. Second one, if x is equal to 0, then the absolute value of x is equal to 0. How we can read it? If x is 0, then the absolute value of x is 0. Then the third one, if x is less than 0, then the absolute value of x is minus x. How it could be happening? If x is less than 0 means we can say negative, then the absolute value of x is opposite of x. Let's see, for an example, if we have the value of x is -6, so absolute value of this is equal to 6. Why? If x is negative, here we have that, then the absolute value of x is opposite of x. Here at the place of x we have, like suppose is equal to 1. So at the place of x here we have minus 6. So opposite of minus 6 is 6. So this way we can say if x is negative, then the absolute value of x is positive. Let's see the practice set number 2.5. The first one, find the value. Let's start. Here we have 50 minus 2 in the models. So what is the absolute value of this? We are going to solve it first. 15 minus 2, 13 is equal to. Here we have the 13 positive numbers within the models. So the first condition, if x is greater than 0, then the models of the absolute value of x is x. So that is 13 is our answer. Yes. Second one, 4 minus 9 is equal to, again 4 minus 9, we cannot do the subtraction, so we have to reverse it. 9 minus 4, that is 5. If one is positive, one is negative, we do the subtraction but take the sign of bigger number, that is minus. So minus 5 is equal to. Let's see the third rule. If x is less than 0, that means if x is negative, then the absolute value of x is opposite of x. So what is the absolute value of this minus 5? That is 5, as because opposite of minus 5 is 5. Let's see the sum number 3. Here we have model 7 into model minus 4. What is the value of this 7? This is the positive number, so that is equal to the x, that is 7 into minus 4. What is the absolute value of minus 4? That is plus 4, as because that is less than 0, negative. So the absolute value of this is opposite of x, that is minus 4. So opposite of minus 4 is 4, is equal to 7 4 down 28. So that is nothing else, is our answer. So this way we can find the value of the given models, whatever we have, whether subtraction, addition or the multiplication. This way we can solve it. Let's start the question number 2. Here we have solved 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. If there is x, can we say what is the exact value of x? No. If that is 2, so 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 we get the 1, that is positive. But if we have the 0, 3 into 0 0, 0 minus 5, that will be minus 5. So we cannot say what is the exact value of x. So for that what we have to do? We are going to solve it like 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Whatever we have in the models, the value should be exact same. It could be minus also. So for that we have to write or 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 1. This way we can write both. Yes, let's start. 3x is equal to, that is the plus 1, this minus 5 went to the another side will become plus 5. Yes. So x is 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. This 3 is over here multiplication with x. So that went to the another side will become division. 6 upon 3. Do the cancellation. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. X is equal to 2. We got the value of x 2. Now the second way. Once we take the positive, now negative. 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So let's take this 5 to the another side, that will become plus 5. So 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 5 will become plus 4. One number is negative, another is positive. We have to do the subtraction and take the sign of bigger number. So 5 minus 1 4 and bigger number is plus, so we are written over here. Or x is equal to 4. 3 is with the multiplication sign of x, when to the another side will become division. Yes, can we do the cancellation over here? Is it possible? No. So therefore x is equal to 4 upon 3. This way we can say whether x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4 upon 3. This way we can get the two answer of this question. Let's see the question number 2. 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5, or we can say the second one, 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to minus 5. This way is equal to 8 minus x is equal to 5. Here we have. Now this is the division, when to the other side will become multiplication. 8 minus x is equal to 10 minus x is equal to 10 minus 8 plus 8, when to the other side will become minus 8. So minus x is equal to minus 2. Now or 8 minus x is equal to minus 2, this will become multiplication over here. Or 8 minus x is equal to minus 10, or minus x is equal to minus 10 minus 8 plus 8 will become minus 8, or minus x is equal to minus 10 minus 8 will become minus 18. So here both the side multiply by minus 1. Yes, so it will become x is equal to 2, or here also x is equal to 18. This way we can get the answer, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 18. Sorry, over here 10 minus 8, when we subtract we get the plus 2. So whenever we are multiplying with the minus 1, so here we get the minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 18. Now next is the third sum. 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. So 7 minus 2x is equal to plus 5, or 7 minus 2x is equal to minus 5. Let's solve the first one. Minus 2x is equal to 5. This plus 7 will become minus 7. Minus 2x is equal to 1 plus and 1 minus. Do the subtraction. 7 minus 5. 2. Sign of the bigger one, that is minus. So x is equal to minus 2 upon this minus 2 is multiplication with the x. Will become division. This way minus minus become cancel. X is equal to 2 ones are 2. So x is equal to 1. Here we got the value of x. The second way, minus 2x is equal to minus 5 we have. This plus 7 will become minus 7. Or minus 2x is equal to minus 5 minus 7 will become minus 12. Or x is equal to minus 12 upon minus 2. Minus cancel with minus, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. So or x is equal to x is equal to 6. This way we can get the value of x is 1 or 6. Now proceed for the next sum, that is 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5, or we can write 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to minus 5. Let's solve the first one. X upon 4 is equal to, this is the 5 plus 5 will become minus 5. So x upon 4 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 0. X is equal to 4 is over here, division will become the multiplication with 0. So x is equal to 0. We got the first value of x is 0. Or 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to minus 5. So x plus 4, x upon 4 is equal to minus 5. This plus 5 also become minus 5. Then or x upon 4 is equal to minus 5 will become minus 10. X is equal to minus 10 into 4. This is the division. When to the another side will become multiplication. Therefore we got the another answer. X is equal to minus 40. So this way we can calculate it and find the value of absolute given the x. Whatever we have in the models, we can find out the value and solve the given sum, whether it would be positive or it would be negative, as because we don't know exact value of x. So you observe, see this video, observe it and try to understand it. If you have any doubt, can ask. So you have the homework for today's video. Question number 1 is find the value. The first one 20 minus 7, second one 100 minus 303, third one is 8 divided by minus 16, and the second one is solve one question you have over here. So this way we can find out the absolute value of the x of given in the models form. Thank you very much.